Good morning. Myself, Dr. Mrinal Lake, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravya Gun, Global Institute of Ayurveda, Rajkot. In our today's topic, we are going to see about Agray Sangraha. Now, what are Agray Sangraha? In our Samhita, Agraya had been mentioned. Vagbhad has encoded one thing in his Ashtanga Hridaya Kriti that Agrayas are mentioned for Mudha Vaidya. We will see in concluding slides. Now, Agria Aushadhis, they are most potential drug or a particular for a particular bhav. Now, bhav means what? Here, in case of Agria bhav means any kind of treatment, any kind of procedure, any kind of dravya, anything it may be. Generally, these agrarias are more important because here one drug is used for many diseases and many drugs are used for one disease. Agre, this word, it shows its efficacy. Agre means first, in first place or in first bhav or prathama sthana. So generally, Agre is used to show efficacy of dravya. Some mention to cure diseases or to maintain swastha, or some Agre dravyas are hetus of diseases or unwell-being. Example here I have quoted some example like Ekaras Abhyas. It is Dorbalya. Whenever the person he will be having only one type of drug in his food, then he will become Durbalta or he will be debilitated. Upavad, Jwarhar, Kutaj, Arshakar. Then such kind of examples are there quoted in our Samhita. Also, these Agri Aushadhis plays an important role in preventive aspect like Ekakala Bhojan. It is Arogyakar, Vishada, Rogavardhak. Some Agres they applied therapeutic excellency like Vidanga, Dumigna, Gokshur, Mrutakutshagna in any kind of creaming, whether it may be microbial infection or it may be an infestation, worm infestation, we can use Vedanga. Shirish, Vishagna, Kantakari, Kasagna. Such kind of drugs they have been patented by our acharyas for certain diseases like Mahishikshir. Now Mahishikshir you know, buffalo's milk. It is Madhur in the rasa, it is Guru, more Guru, Snigdha, Shita and Abhishandi than cow's milk. So due to these gunas, it generally it is prone to increase nidra and hence in Agre Sangraha, Mahishikshir is mentioned as Nidraka. And if we see its modern aspect, in modern aspect, milk of buffalo it contains tryptophan, and this tryptophan is converted sleep-inducing hormones like steroidotropin in human body, and due to this it cures insomnia or it generates nidra or sleep. It induces sleep. Now, while saying the Nirukti of Agria, whenever we study any terminology or any, we have to see any definition, we should first see Nirukti of that word because many things it is hidden in Nirukti. Now, the word Agria, it is derived from Agre Bhavanam Agra Pradhanam. In this Agre Bhavanam, Gahapratya, this prefix is added and Agre Bhavanam, Agre Pradhanam means Shrestha Bhav, which is having first place or which is having the superior place. Now the definition of Agriya. Agriyanam Shatam Uddishtam Yad Dadat Pakvajad Shataram Amale Alametah Adada Dadiko Ranam Dadita Upadayashyate. It is quoted by Charak in his Sutra San 25 by 41. It means that the drug which is having same action and in it is used for a base pathya or apathya, it is considered as Agri Aushadhi. Anything, any medicine, any treatment procedure, any any bhav or any particular just like nidra and these things. So it is mentioned as best in pathya or apathya, that is termed as agra aushadhi. Vrittikar. Vrittikar means that is needed to sustaining the daily life. So jala, anna, ahar, vihar, swapna, brahmacharya, I know termed as vrittikar. which is beneficial for human body. Now, as we seen, Agre means Shrestha Bhav, best among all. Hmm? So, whatever entities or whatever Agres are mentioned in our Samhita, so Charak has included 152 entities, Ashtang Sangra included 155 entities, that is 155 Agre. And Ashtang Hriday, in Ashtang Hriday, properly it has not mentioned as Agriya term. He has been not using this term in his Samhita, but 55 Agriya can be read in its Uttar Tantra last chapter. Because in last chapter, 55, some 55 drugs or some 55 bhavs are mentioned that are termed as best for diseases and other things. So, while mentioning Agres, Acharya also mentioned their importance. As per opinion of Charak, if we see Charak Samhita, in Charak Samhita 25th chapter, Agres are mentioned. Agra, he has mentioned Agra as a Shrestha and explained as Jayastva. Jayastva means which is para, superior for Prashasta and Aprashasta drug in both terminologies. Means if he is quoting any Prashasta, any superior thing for best, suppose for example, uh, means Shira, he has mentioned Mahishik Shira, Nidrajanan Shrestha. To induce sleep, Mahishi Shira is mentioned. But for similar, at that time similar, he has mentioned that Tindu. Tindu is Shrestha Tridosha Karaka. Means for by consuming Tinduka, anyone can have Tridoshas increasing in any person's body, three doshas can increase. Then Varatva means Jayat Sattva Varatva. Varatva means the best thing. Huh? Best is different from Shrestha. Best, it is Agre is Shrestha also, best also. Like Shaman of Vat Pitta Kapha with Basti, Virechan and Vaman. It is quoted that for Vata, Basti is Shrestha, for Pitta, Virechan is Shrestha, for Kapha, Vaman is Shrestha, for relieving the diseases from these doshas. In Ashtanga Sangraha, Agre has been mentioned as Karyakarakatva. Means Karyakaratva means the many karmas they are performed which are potent or virya that is potent, it is termed as Agre. In Ashtanga Hridayam, Shrestha Aushad can be or Vikalpa or Yoga according to Desh, Kala, Bala, it is termed as Agre. Now, in initial stage of drug selection, Agres plays an important role. Why? Because if there is dilemma ki which drug we have to select, which treatment we have to give, so to relieve that dilemma, to get a time to search for best other medicine, this Agres plays an important role. If in previous slide we have seen what Basti is best. So if any patient comes with having Vata disorder or any patient complaining for Vatic disorder, then we can start Basti treatment directly. After that, we can see for which drug we have to use, for which another treatment we have to give for Basti treatment. Now, different acharyas, means Charak, Charak and Vagbhan, they have followed different methodology for explaining Agres. Hence, this is the main reason that there is difference between the number of Agres mentioned in respective Samhitas. Charak emphasis more on Aushad Dravya. If we see Charak Samhita and its Agre Sangra, he has generally emphasis on Aushad Dravya, basically a part towards the treatment. Then, apart from Aushad Dravya, Ashtanga has included other entities also, just like Madhya Varga Dravya, Ras Aushadhi, and other things are also mentioned in Ashtanga. If we see Ashtanga Hriday, for Ashtanga Hriday it then generally broadly classified Agre under. below things. Firstly, Ashtanga Hridaya, it explains our Agre Aushadhi, last chapter of Uttar Tantra. Then number of agres are not mentioned, only just specific some drugs and some entities are mentioned by him. But the commentary had mentioned generally 55 agres. All these agres, they are helpful for practitioners for selection of drugs in view of disease condition, by strength of the person and availability of drugs. Selection of Agre Dravya ensure desired result for the treatment. Agre Prakaran of Ashtanga includes Dravya which are based on their similar principles of prevention and management of disease, that is Swasthya Rakshanam. Now, what are the importance of Agre? If we see, if we study the Samhita, we can conclude on importance of Agre. Now, it is had been from 5 points: easiness, unavailability of drugs, cost effective, identification and pharmacology. Now easiness, why it is called easiness? If agres are mentioned by Acharya, it makes easy to select a drug for a proper treatment of disease, for a proper selective disease. Just like Khadir, it is mentioned Kushtagna. So for Kushta Vyadhi, we can use Khadir. In any form like Vat, Abhyanga, Snana, in any form we can use Khadir. Unavailability of drugs. Many formulations are mentioned by our Acharya. In in such formulation, many drugs are mentioned. If any of the drugs it is not there, in that condition we can use Agra. Generally, we know for Visha Chikitsa, many drugs, many yogas are mentioned. Bilwadi Gutika is there, Sharagad is there, then Amrita Sanjeevana Sura is there, Sanjeevani Gutika is there. Many things are mentioned for treatment of poison. But in Agre Aushadha, Shirish one drug, it is mentioned as Vishagna. So whenever we don't have any kind of such formulations, we can use Shirish in place of that for treatment of or for as an antidote to any kind of poison. Cost effective. Besides formulation, single drug it is very much costly, cost friendly, and it is cost effective also. Compound formulation, it will go at higher time. Identification. Single drug, it is easy to identify, but combination of drug, it is difficult to identify which drugs are added. Now, nowadays, many formulations are available in market from many of our uh, pharmaceuticals. Many pharmaceutical industries, they are preparing many kind of formulation. So we can't identify that company had added such a lot of 4 to 5 or 10 to 12 drugs in its formulation. So single drug we can identify easily. So Grep plays an important role for that. Now pharmacological action. Pharmacological action. Generally, single drugs are proven for their potential action. In also modern pharmacological parameters, we can explain a single entity of drug. But for combination of drugs or for formulations, we can't validate their generally pharmacological and their potency. We can validate their action, but we can't validate their total compound formulation. To understand it is difficult also, it is impossible to see which drug is performing in the formulation. For example, if we see Vidang it is embossed as Agra for creming. So its cromigna action we can explain. It has Laghu, Ruksha, Tikshna, Guna, Katu Kashai Rasa, Pushna, Virya, Katu Vipaki. So it will be having cremigna action by its Prabhav. So, by modern parameters, the same similar drug Vidanga, it has having pungent taste and hot potency. It is having major constituents like ambelin, hemoambelin. Hilstambilene, then Curesitol, Valiginin, volatile oil, fixed oil, phenolic acids, huh, they are there. So all these acids, they usually deworm the intestine. And after deworming, we need a laxative ingredient. But in case of Vidanga, it is having laxative, mild laxative effect. So Vidang only drug, it will be act as an Crimigna also and as a Virechek also. It will kill all the worms, or it will having worm infestation action, and after that it will be having laxative effect. It will clear all that dead worms from the intestine. Similarly, this Vedanga we can use in as an antimicrobial activity in skin disorders, in dental caries, in bad breath, in many other conditions also Vedanga can be used. Now, some examples of Agradava that are mentioned in Charak Samhita, like food, means anna, vritti karana. Vritti means it will increase our body, or it will perform the day-to-day activity of a body. Sura, alcohol preparation, shamharanam. Sura, it is best for shamahar. When any person it is exhausted from exhaust or having fatigueness, then Sura is best for him. Shira, jivanyanam. Sheer, it will increase the vitality. Mans, ruhaniyanam. Mans, any kind of mutton, any kind of flesh, it will increase muscles of the body. Lavanadravya, ruchikaranam. Amla, ridyanam. Amla dravya, they will be having ridya effect. Kukutama, balyanam. Madhu, honey, it will be shleshma pitta prashaman. Honey will pacify shleshma and pitta. Sarpi, vata pitta prashamananam. Vata and pitta will be pacified by sarpi, that is grita. Tilatel or any kind of tel, it will be vata shleshma prashamananam. That means vata and shleshma cough will be pacified by tail. Vaman shleshma haranam, virechan pitta haranam, vastivat haranam, uh, which we have seen already. Sweda Madhava Karanam. If we have, if we want to see softness in our skin or softness in our tissues, then sweat is important. Vyayam Sthairya Karanam. To get a constant, or if we want to increase our concentration, or we want a stable body, then Vyayam, it is beneficial. Shar Pumsatva Ghatakat. Amakapitha, akantya. Unripened kapitha fruit, it is akantya. It will create hotness of voice. Avi sarti arudya. Gaveduk. Gavedukana karshanyam. Gaveduk, it will be emaciating the body tissue. Yav purish jananam. It will increase stools. Kulatha amla pitta jananam. Amla pitta vyadhi. Kulatha is one of the hetu for amla pitta. Mash, Shleshma Pitta Jananam. Right? Such like of that, many other 152 agras are mentioned by Sharat Singh. In Ashtang Hridaya, some of the agradravya that are mentioned in Ashtang Hridaya. Mustak, fever. It will, mustak, it will relieve from fever. Hot soil cooled in water, that is Vrita Brishta Jala. It is used in Trishna. Laja, it relieves from Vaman. Shilajit, it is used in Basti disorder. Amalki and Haritra, that is Nisha Amalaki. It is used for Prameha. It is best drug for Prameha. Loha, it is used in Pandu. Haritaki, it is act as Vata Kapha Shamak. Here Haritki, it is mentioned as Vata Kapha Shamak by Ashtangita, but in Charak Samhita, Haritki, it is mentioned as Anulomak. Haritki, it is mentioned as Pathya in Charak Samhita Agrastha. Pipali, it is mentioned for Liharo, Laksha for Urakshata, Shirish Vishagna, Gugul, Meda and Vayu Shamak, Vasa Rakta Pittagna, Putaj Atisaharagna, Bhallatak Arshahar. So, Swarna, Gara Roga. So, this kind of agras are mentioned by Ashtanga. So thank you for this topic. If you have any query, I would like it, you can share in comment box.